Hello friends, today we are here with our seventh chapter, that is Lifeline of National Economy, and today we will discuss the first part of this chapter. So friend, in this video we will discuss on the introduction and land transport. So let's move ahead and continue our discussion. Friend, we will start with transports. My dear friend, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, transport plays an important role in economy of any country because transport carries raw material to the factory and the finished product to the consumer. Friend, the pace of development of a country depends on the production of goods and services as well as their movement over the space. So friend, apart from the transport, the ease and the mode of communication like telephone and internet make continuous flow of information possible. So now friends, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Friend, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, India is well linked with the rest of the world despite of its vast size, diversity and linguistic and socio-cultural differences. Friend, so in this video we will discuss on means of transportation. Basically, the means of transportation is divided into three categories: land, water and air. Land transportation include roadways, railways and pipelines, whereas water include inland and overseas. When we talk about air transportation, it include domestic airways and international airways. And further, the domestic airways is divided into public undertaking and private airlines. So now friend, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Friend, now we will start with roadways. My dear friend, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, India has one of the largest road network in the world. और अगर हम इसके एरिया की बात करें तो it is spreaded in 2.3 million kilometer at present. And friend, in India, roadways have preceded railway. It means roadways are far better than the railways. So friend, now let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Now we will talk about roadways. Now friend, we will talk about the advantages of roadways transport, vice versa rail transport. It means we are going to compare the road transport and the rail transport. Friend, construction cost of road is much lower than the railway lines. The second advantage is road can traverse comparatively more dissected and alternating topography. Friend, the third advantage is road can negotiate higher gradients of slope and as such can traverse mountains such as Himalayas. Now friend, let's move ahead and continue our discussion on transport. We are talking about the advantages of road transport, vice versa rail transport. So friend, next advantage is it is economical in transportation of few person and relatively smaller amount of good over short distances. Friend, it provides door-to-door services and it is used as feeder to other mode of transport such as they provide a link between railway station, air and seaports. Now friends, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Now friend, we will talk about the classification of roadways on the basis of capacity. So friend, on the basis of capacity, the roadways has been classified into golden quadrilateral, superhighways, national highway, state highways, district road, other road and border road. Now friend, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Friend, let's start with golden quadrilateral superhighways. So friend, the government has launched a major road development project which is linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi by 6 super highways. Friend, the north-south corridors linking Srinagar and Kanyakumari and जो ईस्ट-वेस्ट कॉरिडोर है वो कनेक्ट करता है सिलचर in Assam and Porbandar in Gujarat. Friend, the major object of these superhighways is to reduce time and distance between the mega cities of India. Friend, these highways projects are being implemented by National Highway Authority of India. Now friends, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Friend, now we will talk about national highways. Friend, national highway link extreme part of the country and these are the primary road system that are laid and maintained by the Central Public Work Department. My dear friend, a number of major national highways run in north-south and east-west direction. Friend, among these, the Sri Marg is called as the National Highway number 1 and it is between Delhi and Amritsar. Now friend, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. We are talking about state highway now. So friend, state highway link a state capital with its different district headquarters. Friend, these roads are constructed and maintained by state public work department in state as well as in union territories. Now friends, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Now we will talk about district road and other road. So friend, district road, these roads connect the district headquarters with the other places of district and are maintained by Jila Parishad. Now friends, other road. These roads include rural road which link rural areas and villages with town and these roads receive fund from Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana for its development. Now friends, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Friend, now we will talk about border road. Friend, Border Road Organization is a government of India undertaking and maintain road in the border area of the countries. Friend, BRO, that is Border Road Organization, was established in 1960s for the development of road of strategic importance in northern and northeastern border areas. And friend, these roads have improved accessibility in the areas of difficult terrain and have helped in the economic development of these areas. Now friends, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Now we will talk about classification of road on the basis of material. Friend, on the basis of material, road has been classified into metal road which is made up of cement, concrete or even bitumen of coal and unmetal road which is made up of sand or soil. Now friend, let's move ahead and continue our discussion with transport. Now we will discuss on road density. Friend, the length of road per 100 square kilometer of area is known as density of road. Friend, distribution of road is not uniform in the country. So, the density of all road varies from state to state. Such as in Jammu and Kashmir, it is 12.14 km and in Kerala it is 517.77 km, and this is the data of 2011 with the national average of 142.68 km. Now friend, let's move ahead and continue our discussion that what we have learned in this video. So friend, in this video, we have learned about introduction on transport and land transport, and the reference is Geography class 10th textbook. And in next video, we will talk about water transport, air transport, communication, international trade and tourism as a trade. Till then, thank you.